In this video, we go over some basic functions of your VX680 terminal that allow you to process a sale, reversal and refund transactions, as well as settle the batch at the end of the day. Let's start with the sale. On the main screen, tap Sale. The terminal will prompt to enter the amount. Enter the amount and press the green Enter button. The terminal will show the entered amount to get a confirmation. Press Yes if the amount is correct. Now the terminal will prompt to swipe, insert, or tap the card. Your customers could also tap the card or use their smartphone or a smartwatch to pay for their purchases should you choose to enable contactless function on your terminal. Insert the card into the chip reader and pass the terminal to the customer. The terminal will prompt to select the language. Choose the language on the screen. Next, please note that some cards require chip and PIN, when others require chip and signature. The prompt on the terminal is defined by the card and not the terminal. The customer will enter the PIN number. The terminal will proceed dialing out to the host and print a receipt. Now, what if you processed a wrong sale amount by mistake? You can reverse a wrong transaction on the same day before closing the batch. From the main screen, select Void. The terminal will then prompt Void Last Transaction. Select Yes if that's the case, or select No to void a different transaction. The terminal will offer you to retrieve the transaction by entering either an invoice or account number. You can find this information on the original receipt. Enter the invoice number from the receipt and press Enter. The terminal will now display the transaction information. Select Yes if the transaction information is correct. The terminal will dial out to the host and print a void transaction receipt. Now, if the batch was closed or the transaction in question was processed on a different day, you need to process a refund. On the main screen, select Refund. The terminal will prompt the amount. Enter the amount and press the green Enter button. The terminal will display the amount one more time, asking for a confirmation. Select Yes, and the terminal will prompt to insert or tap the card. Insert the card into the chip reader. The terminal will ask to select the language. Select the language and press the green Enter button. The terminal will dial out to the host and print the refund invoice. When it's time to settle at the end of the day, simply press Settlement on the main screen. The terminal will display totals. If everything is correct, press the green Enter button. The terminal will dial to the host. Press the green Enter button one more time to confirm that you indeed wish to close the batch, and the terminal will print a settlement receipt.